Unit 6. Roald Amundsen.
Some men prefer to remain home and rarely leave their hometowns. Others are more adventurous. Roald Amundsen was the latter. Born in Norway in 1872, Amundsen loved exploring the polar regions of the world. Amundsen's first great adventure began in 1903. He was searching for the Northwest Passage. Ever since the Europeans discovered the Americas, they had sought the Northwest Passage. This was a way to get from the Atlantic Ocean to the Pacific Ocean by sailing north. Many men tried to find it, yet none succeeded. Amundsen, however, found it during a journey that lasted 3 years. Later, in 1910, Amundsen set his sights on the South Pole and sailed to Antarctica. On January 14, 1911, his ship arrived in Antarctica. His team began preparing for the trip. Then, on October 14, 1911, 5 men, 52 dogs, and 4 sleds began the trek to the bottom of the earth. It was a difficult journey, but on December 14, 1911, they made it. They were 35 days faster than a British expedition led by Robert Scott. All of Amundsen's men survived the return trip to their ship. Sadly, only 11 of the dogs survived. Amundsen had a desire to reach the North Pole as well. In 1926, he teamed up with an Italian and an American. They used an airship to fly over the North Pole. As they flew above it, all 3 men dropped the flags of their countries onto the North Pole. 2 years later, Amundsen's life came to a tragic end. He was on a rescue mission when his plane disappeared. Only pieces of the plane were found. Amundsen's body was never recovered.